dear students. So let us go to the next chapter, constructions. In simple words, the main thing which we have to study in 10th class is about the construction of tangents. How can you construct a tangent? The construction of tangent in different ways. That means if you're taking a point on the circle, how can you construct a tangent? If you are taking a point outside the circle, how can you make a tangent? Especially using the center and without using the center. So these are the main things, 4 to 5 tangents which we have to study in our 10th class. So just without any question, simply let me give you a raw out figure, means the out sketch, how to understand and how to draw any tangent by a given measure. Just imagine that you are given to draw a circle with radius 2.5 centimeter. So first of all, you will have to take a measure inside your compass 2.5 centimeter. It measures exactly the radius should be 2.5 centimeter. And using a center, just imagine that this is the center. I'm taking this O. And what you have to do? You have to draw a circle. Now take a point P. Just imagine that this question is, take a point P on the circle. So here somewhere, anywhere you can take a point. So here I'm going to take a point P at this place, at the bottom place. So now listen to the steps, it's very important. Step number 1, as you have taken the point P on the circle, you have to join it with a straight line from the center. And this line is what we call the radius of the circle, right? It's the radius of the circle. So we have drawn the radius. What do you know about the theory of tangent? If a tangent is drawn to a circle, you know this theory very perfectly, that if you are drawing a tangent to a circle, and if you are drawing a radius to the point of intersection of the tangent and the circle, that will become a 90 degree, right? It becomes perpendicular to each other. That's the theory which we have studied. So normally here, if we are drawing a 90 degree, that will be definitely a tangent. So here what we are going to do means we are going to make a 90 degree here. So what do you have to do for preparing 90 degree? In 9th class we have studied, take a radius, take small radius, take some radius in your compass, and then pointing on P, just draw an arc. Not the point, without changing the measure of compass, where your arc is touching on that radius, from that particular point, just cut the arc which you have drawn right now. And again from that point, again cut the arc one more time. And from these two new points, make an arc on the top of the circle. There you got. So take this point as T. If you are joining this point P and T together, here it is. So we can say this PT is the required tangent. So now you have to write the steps of constructions. What are the steps of construction? Step number 1. What is the step number 1? Draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Then what did you do? Step number 2. Mark any point P on the circle. You marked it. Step number 3. What is the third step? From P, join OP. Right? You joined it. Then what did you do? Step number 4. From P, construct a perpendicular to OP. To OP you are preparing a perpendicular. Then PT is the required tangent. That will be the last step. That's it. Now here you are using the center. Imagine that the question is about the radius is given, or it may not be given. If it is not given, you can choose any radius. But here just imagine that it is given of 3 centimeter. I took a 3 centimeter radius in my compass, and using that I made a center. I made a circle. But inside this one I did not note the center, right? Simply take a point P anywhere. I'm taking a point P here. What you have to do means you have to take another point very nearer to this P. I'm taking this point, mentioning it as A. Join P and A. Now here you can see this is the minor segment, this is the major segment, and inside the major segment take another point B, anywhere you can take. I took it here. Now join this B with P and A. In the next step means you have to copy this angle, I mean the angle of B, to this side, because theoretically we have already studied that if a chord and a tangent makes an angle, the angle will be exactly equal to the angle which is made in the alternate segment. We have studied that in the chapter of circles. That is the theoretical part. So we are going to demonstrate here. We are going to copy it here. Okay. So now take a small radius in your compass. Take a small radius. You have to measure this one. That means you have to copy this angle to this one. Right? So first of all, you have to measure that angle. Let us measure that angle. Pointing at B, just draw an arc. Okay, it should touch AB and it should touch BP. Then from P towards the outside area, from this AP, means from your initial line, from your first line, draw an arc outside using the same measure without changing the measure. Measure बिल्कुल change नहीं करने का, same measure. You have to take it outside. Now after this one, measure the arc length. इसका arc का length यानी कि इधर से इधर तक का length जो है वो measure कर लीजिएगा. Measure करने का बाद अभी ये था हमारा पहला लाइन, राइट? पहला लाइन पे आपने अभी जो ड्रॉ किया आर्क कहाँ मिलता है, उधर से वो वाला पॉइंट से, फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट कट दिस आर्क. अभी आपने जो ड्रॉ किया आर्क को कट कर लीजिएगा. नाउ यू गॉट हियर ए पॉइंट, जस्ट मार्क एज T. Normally we are using T, it's because of tangent. You can use any letters, it doesn't matter. Now join this P and that point. Now you can see without using the center का इस्तेमाल बिल्कुल नहीं किया है, we got the tangent. So now tell me what are the steps of construction. Step number 1, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Step number 2, mark a point P on the circle. उसका बाद क्या किया है, mark another point A nearer to P. P का बगल में, very nearer to P, you mark another point A. Then you join AP. After that choose another point B in the major segment. Major segment का अंदर एक point, याद रखना major segment का अंदर. You took the point B. Join AB and PB. Then copy angle ABP at P. Copy angle ABP. ABP को किधर copy करना है? P पे copy करना है. Copy. Then last step, PT is the required tangent. So like this, whatever you are drawing, that should be your steps of construction. Just imagine, understand that what you have done and just copy down that steps. Now the next construction, you have to simply draw a, just imagine that you are giving 3 cm radius. First of all, take the center O, using the center, draw the circle. After completing the circle, check the question. Just imagine that your question, just I'm taking imagination every time like this because it's just a rough study, that's all. You have to understand all the things in a single video, that's why I'm making like this. Here, just imagine your question is given like this. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take a point P. Okay, so your question is like this. A center with radius 3 cm. Mark a point P 7 cm away from the center. So you are taking 7 centimeters away from the center. You mark the point P using the center. Okay. Now how to draw a tangent from P? P से एक tangent draw करना है ऊपर की ओर से और नीचे की ओर भी. Towards the top and towards the bottom you have to draw tangents. So first of all what you have to do means you have to find the midpoint of OP. Midpoint of OP निकालने के लिए उसका perpendicular bisector draw करना पड़ेगा. Perpendicular bisector draw करने का तरीका in 9th class we have studied. क्या है? OP का distance. OP कितना है? इतना है. उसका आधा कितना होगा? कम से कम इतना है ना. आधा से ज्यादा ले लीजिएगा. Take more than half. More than half. या ये तो आधा से ज्यादा है. O से पकड़कर ऊपर की ओर एक आर्क, नीचे की ओर भी एक आर्क. पहला आर्क जो है थोड़ा बड़ा आर्क ले लीजिएगा क्योंकि दूसरा पॉइंट से जो कट होने वाला चीज जो है किधर कट होगा करके हमको नहीं पता है. We don't know that exactly from where it's gonna cut. That's why first of all when you're drawing the first arc, take a bigger arc. Now from P, just cut it, just a single cut is So we got that point, and now join them together by dotted lines. Hold them tight. This is one point, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint. Always forget not to join the midpoint. So that is the midpoint. Now we got exactly the midpoint. So taking M as the midpoint, measure this MP in your compass. Take it as a radius. M से लेकर P तक. And from M on the top and bottom just cut it. MP लेना है आपका कॉम्पस में, फिर M से ही ऊपर और नीचे कट करने का है. Now where you are cutting on the top edge, mention it as T and the bottom T dash. Joining them together from P, P से होना चाहिए PT and PT dash are the required tangents. So now tell me what is the steps of constructions. Step number 1, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Mark a point P 7 cm away from the center. उसके बाद क्या किया है? Perpendicular bisector बनाया. So लेकिन perpendicular bisector, why did we done this perpendicular bisector? To find the midpoint. Okay. So there is no need to write find the perpendicular, draw a perpendicular bisector. There is no need to write like this. You can write like this. From the midpoint of OP, mark M as the midpoint of OP. ऐसा लिखिए. Mark M as the midpoint of OP. And taking MP as the radius from M, cut the circle at T and T dash. Join PT and join PT dash. PT and PT dash are the required tangents. That's it. Like that you have to write the steps. Okay, next one. Right now you used the center, and now without using the center. So in this circle, I'm not taking the center, that's why I did not mention the center. Just imagine that it's a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Anything, whatever. If it is given, you can take. Nothing. If nothing is given, simply draw a circle with any radius. Okay. Now you got a circle. Now from this one, if it is given that you have to draw a tangent from an exterior of a circle without using the center. So simply take a point P on the exterior part. I am taking here P on the exterior part. बहुत दूर में मत लेना, ये तो काफी है. From here, join this with the circle. Join this point so that line will cut exactly at 2 places. Say it as A and the next point as B. And now extend AP to that side. Extend AP to that side. Okay, this was our P. Extended AP. Just take it as C. Okay, till C. We are extending that to C. Now listen. Take this AP inside your compass. Take that radius. Take this as the radius AP from P to A, and cut it on this right. Do one thing, take this mark as X, take this as X, so that you can take this as C. So A, B and C will come together. That will be much more brighter. So we took this AP का distance लिया है और P से उसी distance, same distance को इधर mark किया है, उसको नाम दिया है C. Okay. Now you have to draw a semicircle in which BC will be the diameter. BC इसका diameter होना चाहिए, उस तरह का एक semicircle बनाना है. तो सुनिए, BC उसका diameter होना चाहिए. का मतलब BC का सेंटर निकालना है. BC का सेंटर, बीच में A और P है, जस्ट रिमूव दैट फ्रॉम योर माइंड. उधर A और B ऐसा करके, A और P करके कुछ भी नहीं है करके सोचिए, बस इधर B और C है. BC का सेंटर निकालना है, तभी ना उसका ऊपर एक सेमी सर्कल बन पाएगा. सो सेमी सर्कल निकालने के लिए उसका सेंटर निकालना जरूरी है. सेंटर निकालने के लिए परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है. कैसे ड्रॉ करेगा? BC जो है, BC का आधा से ज्यादा, इतना तो है BC, उसका आधा का मतलब कम से कम ये रहा, ये तो काफी है ना. देखता हूं आधा की ज्यादा, आधा से ज्यादा है. सो फ्रॉम B, फॉरगेट नॉट BC. सो B से और C से, B से पहला आर्क, नीचे की ओर। याद रखना हमेशा पहला आर्क जो है थोड़ा बड़ा आर्क ड्रॉ कर लीजिएगा। सी से क्या करना है, उसको कट करना है, ये रहा नीचे की ओर कट किया है। हमको खाली इसका सेंटर पॉइंट चाहिए, सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द सेंटर। दिस इज द सेंटर, हमको बस उसका सेंटर पॉइंट चाहिए। सो सेंटर को कुछ नाम देने का जरूरत नहीं है, उधर से बी तक का डिस्टेंस ले लीजिए, अप टू बी। Then draw a semicircle. It should correctly meet at C. It should correctly meet at C. Okay? एकदम C पे ही आएगा, वो C पे ही आएगा। After this, सेमी सर्कल तो बन गया। उसका बाद P से करना है ना, हमारा tangent जो है P से होना चाहिए, राइट? क्वेश्चन में वही दिया था, P से होना चाहिए। So in P, at P, you have to construct a 90-degree angle towards the top. Let's do it. इधर से 90 डिग्री कैसा बनेगा? In 9th class we have studied that one. Draw an arc. कोई भी एक साइड से दो बार, फिर उन दोनों साइड से ऊपर की ओर कट करिए। Where it is cancelling, from there you have to draw that one. You are drawing that one. From that particular point, you are drawing the straight line. Now, what do you have to draw? Take this as D. You took it as D. Now, from P to D, take this measure and just cut the circle from P. Taking that as radius. इतना radius लेना है, P से D तक जो है उतना radius लेकर के P से आपका circle को cut करना है. Then join that particular point with P. थोड़ा आगे की ओर लेके गया इसलिए एरो मार्क। This one. So this is your T and this is your T dash. So PT and PT dash are the required tangents. So tell me, what are the steps? Step number 1. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Then mark a point P outside the circle. It may be any centimeter. कितना भी दूर में हो सकता है, लेकिन सर्कल का बाहर होना चाहिए बस. Then after that one, join. Draw a secant from P or draw a line from P so that it touches the circle at A and B. Draw a line. वो line को secant कहते हैं. फिर भी secant वो वर्ड अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो छोड़ दीजिएगा, ऐसा लिख सकता है. From P draw a line which touches the circle at A and B. उसके बाद क्या किया है? Extend AP till X. AP को extend किया है X तक. After that what you done? Measure AP. Measure AP or take AP, taking AP as the radius from P, mark C such that PA is equal to PC. PA और PC दोनों बराबर होना चाहिए. Then CV मिल गया. उसका बाद क्या किया है? Draw a semicircle such that BC is the diameter. BC उसका diameter आना चाहिए, उस तरह का एक semicircle बनाइए. So we drawn a semicircle. Semicircle draw करने का बाद क्या था अगला step? From P construct a perpendicular so that the perpendicular touches the semicircle at D. Perpendicular touches the semicircle at D. हो गया. Then second last step, taking PD as radius. PD को radius करके लेकर के क्या करना है? From P cut the circle at T and T dash. Join PT and join PT dash. PT and PT dash are the required tangents. So this is how you have to prepare. So these are the very important tangents which we are studying in standard 12. So this is the rough sketch of the tangents. So just go through these questions and continuously keep on doing this one. It's very important.